In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format a long cell in Excel. Open Excel and make sure your workbook is already on screen. Once you're in the sheet, go to the top of the grid and click the B column header. This selects the entire customer feedback column at once, so the formatting change will apply to every cell in that column instead of just one. As you look down the column, you'll notice the long text is not displaying cleanly. In some cells, the content spills over into the next columns, and in others, it appears cut off at the edge of the cell. That display issue is what we're fixing here. Now move up to the ribbon and click the Home tab near the top left. In the middle area of the Home tab, find the Alignment group. Inside that section, click Wrap Text. As soon as you do that, Excel places the text onto multiple lines within each cell instead of trying to keep everything on a single line. You'll also see the row height change automatically. Each row becomes taller, so all of the wrapped lines are visible inside the cell. At this point, the text is readable, but the column may still feel too narrow, which can force the content into too many short lines. Next, go back to the top of column B and place your pointer on the right edge of the B column header. Hover there until the cursor changes into a double-headed arrow. That cursor tells you Excel is ready to resize the column. Click and drag that edge to the right. As you widen the column, watch how the wrapped text adjusts inside the cells. Keep dragging until the text sits more cleanly and wraps into about 2 to 3 lines instead of 5 to 6. This keeps the content readable without making the rows taller than they need to be. Release the mouse when the width looks right. Excel immediately recalculates the wrapped height, and the rows shrink automatically to match the new column width. The result is a cleaner layout with the full text visible and the sheet easier to read. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.